Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted a video. It's winter here, it's cold, the birds aren't around very much, but if you're a regular viewer, you'll know that in the last video I promised you a little surprise. Actually, it's probably a little bit bigger than a little surprise, but it's a surprise. And I've also had the opportunity to take part in my very first bit of survey work. So I'm a bit excited about that. Here's what happened. Well, surprises first, here it is. This is my new camera setup. The camera body is a Nikon Z6 II full frame mirrorless camera, and the lens is a Nikon 180 to 600 millimeter lens. It's a very nice bit of gear, a bit heavier than my previous DSLR, and I'm still getting used to some of the knobs, but on the whole, very nice camera to use. Quality is amazing. A big shout out to the guys at Photo Pro Camera House in Adelaide, who were incredibly patient when I was asking about this camera. Answered all my questions with a great deal of patience. But the biggest shout out of all goes to my husband, who worked very hard so that I could have this. Thanks, babe, you're the best. Well, as you can see, I'm just packing the car to head out. I am about to embark on my very first Orange-bellied Parrot Survey. Orange-bellied parrots, or OBPs, pretty interesting little birds. They're one of the rarer Australian parrots. They live mainly during the summer in Tasmania, but during the winter time now, they migrate across Bass Strait to the southernmost coast of South Australia and Victoria. They're part of the genus of Neophema, which also includes some other parrots we might see, rock parrots, blue-winged parrots and elegant parrots. all of which look very similar. I've been doing some research and studying up on the differences for identification, so I hope when I'm in the field I'll be able to put some of that knowledge to the test. I have to say at the outset, I am not expecting to see any orange-bellied parrots. Sightings are pretty rare, but hey, you never know. We could stumble across one somewhere. It's pretty exciting, going camping sort of, so got everything packed there for the next few days, all my supplies of food and bedding and clothes and stuff. And I'm just about to set off. It's about a 2-hour trip to where I need to be, so I better get going. So the upshot of day one of the Orange-bellied Parrot Survey is that we did not see a single parrot, not one, no neophemas whatsoever. The team that went north of us saw elegant parrots. The team that went south of us saw blue-winged parrots. Our team did not see a single one, but we did see all of those other things, including that very unexpected Eurasian skylark, which is on my list. So as we move into day 2 of the survey and the kangaroos finish their breakfast, I'm hoping that today will be the day that I actually get to see at least one of them.